Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So welcome back with the next topic, concept of higher derivatives. Higher derivatives, as I told you people previously in the first slide, what are higher derivatives? For example, if I have found first derivative, which is dy by dx, which we will be calling y1 from now onwards. So that is the first derivative, right? Higher derivatives का मतलब है not the first one but the second or third or fourth or so on, right? So derivative of this y1 with respect to x, like second derivative of this y with respect to x would be called d2y over dx square or y2. Clear? Similarly, third derivative of y with respect to x would be called d3y by dx cube equals to y3, right? This is third derivative. Similarly, this is fourth derivative, this is fifth derivative. अब क्या मतलब है fourth derivative, fifth derivative? Like for example, if I have a question y is equal to x cube, right, and I have to find y2, what does it mean? Second derivative. Let us check it out. Okay, what would be my first derivative with respect to x? I will be taking derivative on both sides. So the first derivative by using power rule would be 3x square. Now this is my first derivative, right? If I have to find y2, I have to take derivative on both sides with respect to x again. So I will be saying, okay, taking derivative with respect to x on both sides, and what would that be? y2 equals to, this y1 would become y2, and that would be equal to, I will be taking derivative of this 3x square. So this would be 3 into x square ka derivative, what is it? By power rule, it is 2x. So what is my answer of y2? 6x. Clear? Okay, what if they asked you to find y3 of the same function? So it would be like, we will be taking derivative again on both sides. So it would be y3 equals to 6 into, what is the derivative of this x? 1. So the answer is 6. And my y4, I can see my y3 is a constant number, so y4 would be 0. तो डिपेंड्स आपको मांगा क्या है. अगर आपको y4 मांगा होता तो इट वुड बी 0, y3 कहा होता इट वॉज सपोज टू बी 6, y2 वॉज 6x, y1 वॉज 3x स्क्वायर. ठीक है. वन मोर एग्जाम्पल. लेट अस से माई y इज रेडिकल ऑफ x minus 2. I have to find y2. Now this is my question. My y1 would be, I would be saying, okay, taking derivative on both sides with respect to x. I'm not writing it, you people have to write it. Okay, y1 would be, अब इसका पूरे का radical, derivative, right? Differentiation is पूरे की. Okay, now what is the derivation of a radical? I have told you people so many times, 1 divided by 2 into radical of x into further derivative of this inside thing which is x minus, what is derivative of this 2 which is a constant number? इसमें तो change होगा नहीं, so that would be 0. Okay, now let us check the answer. My y1 is, we can see, this is 1, so it would be 1 divided by 2 radical of x. This is my y1. Now if y1 is 1 divided by 2 radical of x, which I can write it as 1 divided by 2 x raised to the power minus 1 by 2. This is my y1, right? I have to find y2, so I will be taking derivative on both sides once again. So it would be 1 over 2 into the power, like power rule लगेगा यहाँ पे जाहिर है, into power minus 1. So let us check what is the answer. What is it? Minus 1 divided by 4 into x raised to the power minus 3 divided by 2. This is the answer of y2. Clear? So that is what higher derivative means. ठीक है जी. Let us get started with the exercise 2.7. 2.7 is very important, from examination point of view, उस perspective से. But इसके जो question number, like the long questions हैं, वो हैं 5 till 9 onwards. Very very important for long. ठीक है जी. Short में ये भी आ जाता है sometimes, this one, even this one. So ये unimportant हरगिज़ नहीं है. Exercise, very important exercise. Okay, let us get started with the exercise. Exercise 2.7, find y2 if, you can see these three functions, these three questions, right? y2 ही find करना है, which I just explained. So the basic thing is you should have a command on finding the derivative of any kind of function. अगर वो आती है तो y1 हो, y2 हो, y3 हो, anything you can find. Look at this question again, find y2 if this or this. ठीक है जी. Again the same thing. So 1 or 2, let us discuss first question number 1 and 2. I will be discussing this part, and I have given the image of this question, right? You have to do this by yourself. Then for question number 2, I will be explaining this to you people, and this would be done by you people. and then I will be explaining some parts of question number 3. So let us get started. First part of question number 1, third part, which I am going to explain to you. I have to find y2. First of all, I will be taking y1. How would I be taking y1? Like the first derivative. So I will be saying, okay, differentiating on both sides with respect to x. वो आपने लिखना है. I'm not writing it again. So it would be d by dx of the whole question. Like this. Okay. Now what? As we all know that this should be in the numerator. You know, तभी हमारा आसानी से derivative आएगा. Now what is it? This is radical of x plus this is x raised to the power minus 1 by 2. So it would be y1 equals to, what is the derivative of this radical of x? It is 1 divided by 2 radical of x. What is the derivative of this? Minus 1 by 2, मतलब हम power rule लगाएंगे, into x raised to the power minus 1 by 2 minus 1. So what is the answer? 1 divided by 2 into radical of x minus 1 divided by 2 into x raised to the power minus 3 by 2. Now this is my answer of y1 only. अभी हमने y2 फाइंड करना है, इसी का हम अगेन डेरिवेटिव लेंगे. सो दिस वाज y1, this was y1. I have to find y2. So I am going to write it as 1 divided by 2 x raised to the power minus 1 by 2, ताकि मैं आसानी से अपना डेरिवेटिव फाइंड आउट कर सकूँ. What did I do? I took this radical of x to the numerator and it became x raised to the power minus 1 by 2. Now I am going to find my y2, like I will be taking derivative of this whole term again. So it would be y2 equals to, with respect to x, do not forget, with respect to x. Okay, so 1 over 2 as it is, power rule लग रहा है, power into minus 1 by 2 minus 1. अगेन यहाँ पे भी पावर रूल लगेगा. सो माइनस 3 बाई 2 पहले आ गया. x रेज टू द पावर माइनस 3 बाई 2 माइनस 1. लेट अस गेट to know about the answer. It would be minus 1 by 4 x raised to the power minus 3 by 2. मैंने इन दोनों का LCM लेके सॉल्व किया. It is minus 3 by 2 into, what is minus 3, this into this, plus 3 divided by 4 x raised to the power minus 5 divided by 2. How? By taking LCM of these two. ठीक है जी. So now this thing in the this one in the last step is your answer of y2. Let me show you the image of this. Look at this. This was your first derivative, y1. Then differentiating again with respect to x was this. And this is your final answer. How? By taking these negative terms to your denominator, and that's how you got it. Simple. So बहुत आसान से questions हैं. Next question, next part which I have written here just to explain it to you people. See, this is your function. You have to find y1 and y2 both. ठीक है, इसको मैं थोड़ा सा एक्सप्लेन कर देती हूँ. 2x plus 5 raised to the power 3 by 2. यहाँ पे y is equal to 2x plus 5 whole raised to the power 3 by 2. What would be my first derivative? Power rule लगेगा. So it would be 3 divided by 2, 2x plus 5, power में से 1 minus. क्या? That's it? No. What about the derivative of this inside thing? So it would be d by dx of 2x plus 5. This is 5. Now let us check it out. 3 divided by 2 into 2x plus 5 whole raised to the power LCM of this thing. So that would be 3 by 2 minus 2 divided by, so it would be 1 divided by 2, right? The power into, what is the derivative of this whole thing? 2 का derivative with respect to x का derivative with respect to x would be 2 and x 1, and this, what about this 5? It would be 0. So 2 is the only answer. This 2 and this cancelled out, and now this whole thing, what? 3 into 2x plus 5 whole raised to the power 1 by 2. This is my y1. Now I will be finding derivative again. That would be my y2. कैसे होगा वो? Power rule, 1 over 2 minus 1 into, again d by dx of 2x plus 5. So after getting the answer of this thing, that would be your y2. Clear? Let me show you here. ये ठीक है जी. Simplification के बाद this is your required answer. So the questions are very simple. Question number 1 is done. Okay, now question number 2. Two parts are there of question number 2. I will be solving one of them. The second would be done by you people. Sorry, first one. This is the second one. This was a bit difficult, so I decided to do this one. Okay, why is this natural log of 2x plus 3 divided by 3x plus 2? Why is this? So can I write it as natural log of first term? अभी मैंने डेरिवेटिव लेना स्टार्ट नहीं किया. वी ऑल नो अबाउट दिस प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ लॉग, थर्ड प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ लॉगरिथम, सॉरी फोर्थ प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ लॉगरिथम. थर्ड तो वो पावर नीचे लाने वाली है. नाउ दिस इज माई वाई. I have to find first derivative first of all. What would that be? We all are familiar with the derivative of natural log. क्या होता है? 1 divided by the given term which is 2x plus 3 and numerator में what do we do? Further derivative of the term inside x जो आपका है वो क्या है? 2x plus 3. Clear? Minus same इधर भी क्या? 1 divided by 3x plus 2 into d by dx of the term. What is it? 3x plus 2. So let us check it out. What is the derivative of this 2x plus 3? We all are familiar with this. The derivative of this 2x would be 2. X का derivative 1 हो गया and this is a constant term, it would be 0. So the only term which we would be having in the numerator is 2. So it would be 2 divided by 2x plus 3 minus. What about this? 3 आएगा हमारे पास यहाँ से and 2 would become 0. So it would be 3 divided by 3x plus 2 only. This is my y1. Clear? What is my y1? 2 divided by 2x plus 3 minus 3 divided by 3x plus 2. This is y1. Now to find the next derivative, second derivative, पहले मैं ये x को न्यूमरेटर में ले जाऊंगी ताकि हम पावर रूल लगा के इसको आसानी से इसका डेरिवेटिव फाइंड आउट कर सकें. -3, ये भी इसी तरह से 3x plus 2 would become -1 raised to the power -1. Done. Okay, now let us find the next derivative, second derivative. So what would that be? यहाँ पे भी पावर रूल अप्लाई होगा and that would be 2 into -1 into 2x plus 3 raised to the power -1 into further derivative of what? Of this inside term, यानी d by dx of 2x plus 3. Clear? Minus, look at this one now. 3 into -1, 3x plus 2 whole raised to the power -1 into d by dx of 3x plus 2. Clear? Let us simplify it. It would be -2 into 2x plus 3 raised to the power -2 into, what is the derivative of this? 2. This is minus. Okay. Minus, let us check this out. 3 into minus, this would become 3, positive हो जाएगा. 3 into 3x plus 2 raised to the power -2. What about the derivative of this? It would be 3, so 3 into 3 would become 9. Now, what is it? This is my y2. Am I going to stop here? No. We will be doing some simplification over here. वही थोड़ा सा lengthy काम है इस question में. Rest of the things are easy. So y2, what was y2? -2 into 2x plus 3 raised to the power -2 plus 9 into 3x plus 2 raised to the power -2. Done. Now all you have to do is do some simplification. Whole square plus 9 divided by 3x plus 2 whole square. Take the LCM. What is the LCM? दोनों terms आपके पास different हैं in the denominator, so they would both be a part of your LCM. Done. Okay, now check out your numerators. This 2 would be multiplied with, -2 would be multiplied with 3x plus 2 whole square plus 9 would be multiplied with this term. So 2x plus 3 whole square. Let us simplify it. -2 into 9x square plus 4 plus 2ab. So that would become 12x, right? Plus 9 into, इसका भी whole square open करना है. So it would be 4x square plus, this is 2x plus 3. Okay, 4x square plus 9 plus 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So it would again become 12x whole divided by these two terms. Now all you have to do is you have to open up these terms in the numerator, multiply this -2 with all the terms, open this bracket 2, and then there would be some cancellation and some simplification, and then the answer would be, see, we were done up till this part, up till this step we were done. ठीक है जी, this step. Now all you have to do is you have to open the bracket, you have to simplify the terms like this, and then this would be your final answer. What is the final answer? 60x plus 65 whole divided by this denominator. This is the answer of your y2. Clear? That's it. So with question number 3, I will be there in the next part, inshallah. See you then.